Hey, so 27th day of shamanic initiation training. Actually, there officially is no 27th day of shamanic initiation training. This is just a day of packing, and we're going to get picked up at 10 a.m. Going to have breakfast, take some pictures, and then go back to the city where we catch our flights back home. Yesterday, though, which was officially the last day, was such a beautiful day. We had our last sharing circle. There's so many moving stories of transformation from people. I think one of the main themes, which also applied to me, was finding out how to balance my masculine and feminine energies. Also realizing that I'm a whole person, and I don't need validation from any external parties to fully feel whole and feel my abilities and my powers and just validate this path that I'm on. You know, I like helping people. I like helping people heal spiritually and energetically, and I like singing Icaros, and I think I'm just going to keep doing that and trying to spread that light out into the world. I'm a little bit apprehensive about going back into the matrix, but I think this is a real test. You know, how do these lessons that we've learned here, these gifts that we've accepted here, how do we translate them into that greater world? And how do we help other people? We also had an ecstatic or conscious dance workshop yesterday. We have so many talented people in this group. This group is so special. I've been in so many ceremonies in the past, and I've helped facilitate ceremonies, and the way that this group gelled is amazing. Like, we're so connected. I've heard in the past that in some groups there can be some infighting by the middle of the retreat. This group, no fighting at all. We were at peace the entire time. In fact, we just kept growing closer together, merging our talents. And at some point, as Elio, the founder, said, we rock the Maloka, because we just combined all the instruments that we played, all our voices and singing, and we formed this coherent energy body. I don't know how else to put it. We were like this band that was completely in sync and singing in ceremony, and we were singing so loudly and beautifully together. And it was just one of the most magical things I've ever experienced. It's like our souls knew each other before, and we knew how to interweave with each other and complement each other's talents and gifts and just build upon that. And we sang this beautiful music, and we had this beautiful synergy. And I really will never forget that. And again, I will deeply miss this beautiful group of souls. I really hope to see them again one day, and I really hope to be able to collaborate with them on just future endeavors, or maybe just connect on Zoom, because there's so much magic here between us. I don't know how to really describe it. I just feel it in my heart. It's so deep and it's so strong. Anyways, that's the update. I think the next update will be somewhere in Iquitos. So thankful, so grateful, so full of love, so full of joy. I'll see you later. So, still here at Aya Healing Retreat Center. Just taking pictures before we leave and go back to Iquitos. what's beautiful is they found this wild baby deer in the jungle, and they just brought it here for us to just be with. And it's so beautiful and so pure and so precious. This place is just so beautiful. There's just so much magic here. I took some footage of the deer, and that should come next. So yeah, it's very short, but I think it's wonderful, and this deer is cute. Stay tuned. Hello, friend.
Hi, baby. Oh.
Hey. Hello. Hey. Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Oh, you okay? You okay? Wow. Thank you. Thank you. You're beautiful.
If you like this video, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to the channel.